we're going to learn the short U sound. The short U sound is up, up, b, bud, bud, bug, bug. Bug means an insect. Bus, bus. I'm going to say a word slowly. I want you to say it fast. Say it fast. Nut. Sun. Say it fast. Sun. Run. Say it fast. Run. Bun. Cub. Cut. Dug. Fun. Gum. I'm going to say a word slowly. You say it fast. Rub. Rub. Tub. Tub. Bun. Bun. Gun. Gut. Hug. Hum. Hut. Jug. I'm going to say a word slowly. You say it fast. Tug. Tug. Jug. Jug. Rut. Mud. Mug. Nut. Pup. Rub. Rug. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to change the first sound of a word to a new sound. Our first word is rum. Get rid of the sound and replace it with s. Rum becomes some. Our next word is pun. Get rid of the p sound and replace it with b. Pun becomes bun. Now we have the word mug. Get rid of the and replace it with j. Mug becomes jug. Our next word is hut. Replace the h with g. Hut becomes gut. Run. Rut. Sub. Sun. Tub. Tug. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to change the last sound of the word to a new sound. Our first word is gut. Get rid of the t and replace it with n. Gut becomes gun. Our next word is cup. Get rid of the p and replace it with b. Cup becomes cub. Our next word is bus. Get rid of the s and replace it with d. Bus becomes bud. Our final word is butt. Get rid of the t and replace it with g. Butt becomes bug. Let's practice words with all the short vowel sounds. Am, ram. Rim. Rum. Ram, rim, rum. Pan. Pen. In, pin. Pan, pen, pin. At, pat. Et, pet. It, pit. Ot, pot. Put. Two T's make the same sound as one T. This word putt means to hit a golf ball a short distance. Pat, pet, pit, pot, putt. At, rat. Ot, rot. Rut. Rat, rot, rut. Ass, at, sat. Et, set. It, sit. Sat, set, sit. Rib. Rob. Rub. Rib, rob, rub. At, bat. Et, bet. It, bit. Ot, bot. But. Bat, bet, bit. Bot, but. Ag, hag. Og, hog. Hug. Hag, hog, hug. Bad, bed, bid, bud. Fan, fin, fun. Cap, cop, cup. Hat, hit, hot, hut. Ham, him, hum. Jag, jig, jog, jug. Rat, rot, rut. Rag, rig, rug. Sap, sip. If you found this useful, please be sure to subscribe and share with a friend.